Imashi eholwa inhlangano yomphakathi March and March sigaleleke esishayamithetho sesifundazwe eGauteng enkabeni yedolobha iGoli lapho ke ihlabe khona ikhwela lokuthi kuqiniswe isandla kwabukufika kuleli abangeneke ngokungekho emthethweni. Lo mbhikisho uyinhlanganisela nalowo oqale ePitoli nogasele endlini zombuso i-Union Buildings. Kanti kabahleli bale mashi benxusa ke uhulumeni ukuthi uqinise izindlela zokulawulwa kwemingcele uphinde uqinise emawala nemithetho yabokufika kuleli lapho ke bekhala khona ngokuthi ukuchanasa kwabantu abangenamaphepha afanele ukuba seNingizimu Afrika kunomthelela omubi kuyinsiza zomphakathi kanye nemisebenzi.
Avale iminyango amabhizinisi akusolakala ukuthi awukufika enkabeni yedolobha laseJohannesburg kulandela ukukhukhula ngoqo wesiteleka esiholwa inhlangano elisana nabokufika ngokungemthetho kwelakuleli iMarch and March ngokubambisana namaqembu ezepolitiki okuwumkhonto wesizwe kanye neAction SA. Lezi inhlangano zithi zifuna uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGoli abeke phambili abantu bakuleli.
If you can look at ukuthi abantu baphila kanjani inside those hijacked buildings, of course ngaphandle it can look like things are normal, but ngaphakathi kubi kakhulu. First of all, we want those buildings to be reclaimed by the city so that sine housing problem all over South Africa, particularly in Johannesburg. We want those buildings to be reclaimed. We want i-city to Johannesburg to be clean. Sifuna ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuhamba emgwaqweni. We want things to be equal for all of the people of Johannesburg.
I'm hoping to send a very clear message that is going to make the government realize that at this point we are not playing. For us to be doing what they should be doing tells you that we have understood the real meaning of saying when we respond away to amandla wethu, we put them there because we hope that they're going to bring us the change. But if they're failing to do it, we'll take amandla ethu and do what has to be done.
Kusenjalo ziqhube ngokuthi izoqhubeka nokuvikela izwe yize kukhona labo abathi lezi inhlangano zibhebhethekisa ubandlululo kubantu base-Afrika.
We know we are not xenophobic, and we've got proof of us not being xenophobic because from the beginning of time we have stayed with people from all the other countries for so many years. We never had a problem and no one has asked why only now. But because we are now tired, because we can't continue burying our children on a daily basis, we can't always have our men being called names because they can't be employed. Ngoba kunabantu that are ready to take money that is not enough to take care of the families. We're also tired of thinking that our boys are always going to end up on the other side of the fence because they must protect themselves from people who have got a clear intention of destroying and killing and stealing everything that we are as South Africans. So if that's xenophobic, then I'm happy to be called one.
As we are here, we are saying all illegal immigrants must perish, and we are here to make sure that peacefully we march and we know that we will win this war as much as that they are trying all means to think that this is xenophobic. There's nothing like that. There's no tribalism. We will march peacefully until we win.
We've been called many names. My response to that is that Bati Inja I Konkoti Motemile. And so we don't really care about that. We know the truth about what we are doing. So we're not interested in people who want to say that. If they want to have an academic debate, the VET is available, they can go there. UNISA is available, they can go there. UJ is available. Stellenbosch University, UCT, they're all there. They can go and have these seminars where they're sitting in their nice environments having these debates. Till now we are here to fight for our country. That is the bottom line. If the people want to call us whatever, they can call us xenophobia, Afrophobia, whatever it is. We are fighting illegality irrespective of color and creed in our country.
Lesi siteleka sezinsuku ezimbili siqale ePitoli ngoLwesibili nokuyilapho kuhanjiswe khona uhlu lwezikhalazo e-Union Buildings. NgoLwesithathu kuphume abantu abalinganiselwa kuma500 ukuba yingxenye yalesi siteleka. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseJohannesburg.